Welcome to Nest. We're going to show you how to reset your Nest Yale lock. This will restore the factory settings and remove any passcodes. So you'll have to go through setup again with the Nest app before you can use your lock. Remove the battery cover with the included tool or use a thumbtack. Then take out the batteries. Remove the bolts and pull off the indoor lock. Hold down the reset button on the lock while you put the batteries back in. Keep holding down the reset button until you hear
Erasing all settings.
Then let go of the reset button. When you hear
Hi from Yale and Nest.
Now you can reinstall the indoor lock and replace the battery cover. The lock will tell you what you need to do before you connect it to the Nest app. To learn more, visit our support site.